And there is need for reforms in the vertical mobility, focusing on safety amid rising demand for elevators and escalators through growing high-rise developments. Real estate industry leaders, regulators and stakeholders say there is need for immediate action to ensure all installations meet safety standards and maintenance regulations are strictly enforced to protect those using the facilities.
With skylines in urban centers expanding, industry leaders say Kenya is on the cusp of becoming the region's anchor market for vertical mobility investment, manufacturing and regulatory reform.
With the densification and with the buildings now going very high, definitely the demand has gone up. But we're seeing that not only are we going vertical, but the space at which we're building has gone up. Affordable housing, if you look at the units that are being done across the country, they are vertical.
We see a future in this country where we are going to have industries being established in this country, and this opens up the market for most of the engineers, especially mechanical, electrical, civil, and other disciplines of engineering.
We are now making a pitch to all those international players. We already have a big affordable housing program that is going on, and you've seen the size of these houses. They all need escalators, so I think it's time we also say we want to have a manufacturing setup in here, and I think this is one of the partnerships I'm hoping we shall be able to develop.
While demand is rapidly rising, real estate industry leaders and stakeholders say Kenya must tighten oversight to prevent safety gaps in the fast-growing build sector.
The skyline of Kenya and Africa, for that matter, is growing taller, and I do not think it's possible without a relook at the way we approach elevators and escalators in this country. We look in terms of standards, codes, implementation, and that has to happen through all the sections of the constituents involved in making a building together.
And most critically, you'll find that at the installation stage, you'll find that the components and the equipment being installed are right. But then there are other critical issues that we need to consider, including maintenance of those equipment. If they are not properly maintained, then we'll find some of these faults creeping into the operation of the lead.
Trevor Ngendo for Prime Edition.